Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is the surface area and volume. Chapter number 13. Though we have learned this phenomena in our 8th class also, that is the solid figures. A closed three-dimensional geometric figures which has a definite shape and size and which occupies some space is known as solid figure. Just like we have the example cube, cuboid, cone, slender, etc. Sphere also. So in your 8th class you have learnt about this cube, cuboid and slender. So here we have cube. In this video we are going to discuss the surface area and volume of the cube and cuboid. A cube is a solid in which all edges of equal length, all the edges are of equal length. So here this is a figure of a cube. So we can see here this is a one side, so we call this length, this is a unit, this is the breadth, also a unit, this is a height, also a unit. So all R will be the same in this one. How many faces we are having here? This is the base, just like you can say the floor, and this is the ceiling opposite to this. So these two faces surfaces are parallel to each other. So these are two. So 1 and 2, this is the floor and this is the just like the ceiling, and these are the walls here. This is one wall and this is the opposite wall. Okay, opposite walls are each other, and the one surface is this one at the back and one is at the front. So this surface is at the front here and this one is at the back. So these are how many surfaces? These are 6 surfaces. This is the floor, this is the top. These are parallel to each other. This is one wall, this is the other wall. Opposite to each other means parallel to each other. This is the back side and this is the front side. So how many surfaces are there? 6 surfaces. Okay, so if we have to find the total surface area, means figure is completely closed, then we have to find the total surface area. So total surface area, the area of this surface, this is a square, so side into side, the base of the cube is a square, the base of the cube is a square, so this one is square. So the area of this square is side into side, that is the a square, and the opposite to is there is ceiling, again there is a 2a square, this is a square and a square, this becomes the 2a square. One, this is the front side wall, other side wall, a square, again 2a square. One is the front side, other is the back side, this is also 2a square, 2 will be common, so a square, all will add 3a square, so 6a square. This is the total surface area of the cube. This is the closed figure. Now the length of the diagonal, the longest road that can be fit in this cube, this is the diagonal under root a square plus a square plus a square, from this to this portion, like this. So this is a square plus a square plus a square. So this will be under root 3a square, or we can write under root 3a. This is the length of the diagonal. Now the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area means the 4 walls. This is also known as a curved surface area, or the area of 4 walls also we can say. So there is no floor and ceiling, only the walls are there, this side by and back and the front. No ceilings are here. So it means 2a square will be removed out from the 6a square. So how much is left? Only the 4a square. So it is also called curved surface area of the 4 walls. Now the volume of a cube is equals to a multiply a, that is a cube. Now the cuboid is there. In cuboid again the same, 6 surfaces are there. This is the base is here, and this one is the ceiling, and this is the back, this portion is at the back, this surface, back surface, and this is the front surface. Two are here, and this is the side wall, and this is the wall parallel to this wall. So again the 6 surfaces are here. So but in this one, what is the base of the cuboid? The base of the cuboid is a rectangle. So in a rectangle there is a length, this side is breadth, and this one is height. Length, breadth, height. So this is length, this one is length, this one is length, this one is length. Breadth, 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 and breadth. Height, 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 and this is also height. So it means if we will find the area of this base, means the floor, 2 dimensions we are having, length and breadth, only length and breadth. So what is the area for this part is L into B. This is L into B. This one is LB, the part is LB, and the opposite is also LB. So there is 2 LB. If we will find the area of this part we can see here 2 dimensions, breadth and height. So what is the area of this part is BH. The area of opposite part parallel also BH. Now the front portion, this include length and height. Length and height. So what is the area of the front part? Front part is LH, or we can say HL. The back part is also, this is the back part is also LH. So it means 2 LB plus 2 BH plus 2 HL. So 2 can be common out. So L plus LB plus BH plus HL. This is the total surface area when the figure is completely closed. Now the length of the diagonal same is there, L square plus B square plus H square. Lateral surface area, that is also we have come to know during the cube, that is also called curved surface area or the area of 4 walls. Lateral surface area, twice of lateral means there is no floor and ceiling, means LB part is not there. Only which part is there? BH and HL part is there. So in BH and HL, H can be taken out as common, twice of L plus B into H, and the volume is equals to L into B into H. So these are the formulae that we can use for the complete exercise. Okay, now the question is there from the exercise. In the first question is there, a plastic box which is 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide, 65 centimeter deep is to meet. It is to be open at the top, ignoring the thickness, and we have to determine the area of the sheet required for making the box and the cost of sheet for it. If a sheet measuring 1 meter square costs, 2 parts are there. In the first part we have to find the surface area, in second part we have to find the cost. So first of all we have to take a look to the measurement, that all the units are same or not. So we can say the last unit is not same. This is length, breadth and height. Height is 65 centimeter. So we can have here length is 1.5 meter, B is 1.25, height is 65 centimeter, that we can convert into meter by dividing it to 100. So the box is open at the top, it is given. So it is top is not there, means ceiling is not there, only the floor part is there. If floor part is there, so we have only 1 LB, area of 4 walls plus LB. So it will, area of the sheet required for making the box, that is the surface area of the box. Box is open at the top. So if it is open at the top, it means there is only base है, ceiling नहीं है. So LB and LB, only 1 LB will be there. So 1 LB is there, plus this is the lateral surface area, means the area of the 4 walls, because the other parts are in 2 in pair. This wall and this wall is in pair, back side and front side is also in pair, so this is twice. So LB plus twice of L plus B into H. Putting the measurement 1.5, 1.25 on multiplication we have 1.875. If 1.5 is added to this, on multiplication we have here 5.45 meter square. This is the first part. Now the second part is that we have to find the cost. Cost of 1 meter square sheet, it is given in the book, that is rupees 20. So what will be the cost of 5.45 meter square sheet? We have to multiply these two. On multiplication we will get here 109. So this we can do the first question in the notebook. Now the second question you can do yourself. This is 543 meter. Height, length, breadth and height. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling. Same formula we can apply just like the first question, and then we can multiply by 7.50. Now the third question, the floor of rectangular hall has a perimeter of 250 meter. If the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of this and this, find the height of the hall. It is given that we have the cost of painting of 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000. By dividing rupees 15,000 by 10, we will get the area of 4 walls. That will be the little surface area. So perimeter of floor of a rectangular hall, it is given that is 250 meter. Cost of painting of 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square, rupees 15,000. So with the help of these two costs, we can find the area of 4 walls is equals 15,000 divided by 10. Zeros can cut. Here we have 1500 meter square because this is per meter square. So unit will remain here meter square. Now we know the formula. Area of 4 walls is equals to twice of L plus B into H. Twice of L plus B, that is the perimeter. So area of 4 walls is equals, this we can write as here perimeter into H. Area of 4 walls is, we have found here 1500. Perimeter is given 250 into H. So H can be found here 1500 upon 250. So this can be cut and 25 6. So we have the height is 6 meter. Now the next question, this you can do. The paint in certain container is sufficient to paint an area of equal to 9.375. How many bricks are there? To find the bricks, we will divide 9.375 meter square by this. The area, how many bricks? We will find the total surface area because brick is completely closed. So first we will change the unit, either this one or this one, your choice. So we will find the total surface area of one brick and then divide 9.375 meter square by the total surface area of one brick. We will get the number of bricks. Same as here. Cubical box has each edge 10 centimeter. Cuboidal 12.5, 10 and 8. Which box has a greater little surface area? Both we will find and then compare. Here the total surface area for both we will find and compare. Now the sixth question. A small indoor greenhouse is made entirely of glass pens, including base, completely closed. This is a herbarium, so completely closed. Held together with tape. It is 30 meter long, 25 meter high. What is the area of the glass and how much tape is needed for all the 12 edges? Okay. Length of greenhouse is given 13 centimeter. Breadth is given 25 centimeter. Height is given 25 centimeter. So the total surface area of the greenhouse is twice of LB plus BH plus HL because it is completely closed. So we will find the total surface area. 13 to 25, 20 into 25, 25 into 30. On calculation, we will have here 4250 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of the greenhouse. Then we have here the figure is given, this one, this is the herbarium greenhouse. So ABCD, this is the first surface. We have to find the tape is required along sides. How much tape is required? So tape is required along sides. We will put all the tapes here at the joints of the two surfaces. AB is the joint of the two surfaces, this and this one. So this AB plus BC plus CD and plus DA. This is for the one surface. AB, BC, CD and DA. Then we have here EF. This is EF. This one. This is the another joint. EF. Then FG. EF, FG, then GH, and then HA. Here, GH and HA. Then we have HE this side. Then we have BG this side. Then we have FG, DE, that is DE this side. So these are the 12 sides. FG we have written 2 times, so cut it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. One more is left, that is BC. AB, BC, CD and DA. Then we have EF. This is EF, FG, GH, HA. Then we have HE, BG. This is FC. FC is left. So FC. So all the sides we will have here. So it means that if we will see this length 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 4 times. If we see breadth here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Height we will see 1, 2, 3, 4. Means all the measurements are of 4 times. So 4 times of L plus B plus H. So L, that is 4, length is given 30, breadth is given 25, their sum is 80, and then we will have here 320 centimeter tape is required. So the length of the tape required is 320 centimeter. Now the question is there. This is the longest question of the exercise. Shanti Sweets stall was placing order making cardboard boxes for 2 packets. The bigger dimension 25, smaller dimension 15, 12 and 6. For all the overlaps, 5% of the total surface area is required extra. The cost of the cardboard is rupees 4, 1000 centimeter square. We have to find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. Okay, so dimensions for bigger box. Bigger box we are having here. This is the bigger box. Length is 25 centimeter, breadth is 20 and height is 5 centimeter given. Okay. Total surface area of the bigger size, because the box is completely closed with lid and base and all the 4 walls. So total surface area we will find here twice of LB plus BH plus HL. L is given 25, B is 20, B is 20, H is 5 here, 5 into 25. So we will get the calculation here. 725 into 2, that is 1450 centimeter square. This much of area is required for the bigger box, one bigger box. Now the dimension for a smaller box is given. L is given 15 centimeter, B is given 12 centimeter, height is given 5 centimeter. Again the same box, same type of box, so we will find the total surface area. So multiply here, addition 315, we will get here 630 centimeter square. Now the area of all the overlaps. How much is required? 5% of the total area. What is the total area? 1450 plus 630. 1450 plus 630, 5% of this one. So 5 upon 100 multiply. We will add this one here 2080. Zeros can be cancel out. 10, 5 2s, and this is 104. So 104 centimeter square cardboard is required extra for the overlaps. So what is the total surface area of both the boxes and area of overlap? That is 2080. This is the surface area for both the boxes, and 104 is the area for the overlaps. If we add these two, we will get here 2184 centimeter square. Okay. Now the total surface area of 25 boxes. This is for one box. So how many we are required? We are required here 25, 250 boxes, 25 boxes each. 250 boxes each. So this is cost of the cardboard for 1000 centimeter square is equals to rupees 4. Cost of the cardboard for 1 centimeter square, we will have here 4 upon 1000. And cost of cardboard for 2184 into 250, that is 4 upon 1000 into 2184 into 250, that we will get. If we cut this here, we will have here 250, this one, and 10 can be cut, and 250, complete 250 can be cut here, so we'll have here 2184. So this is the cost of the cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. So this is the cost, 2184 cost is required for this one. Thank you so much. In the next video we'll discuss about the volume.